This is Sitamal Street at Alwapet, where because of the Sunday rains, currently there is water up to my knee, and before that it was 3.5 feet of water. There are like so many residents at this place who claim they have completely suffered, and for the past 3 days there has been no power here, no kind of essential any kind of items could reach them, and they are struggling. In fact, many senior citizens from this place had to be moved through help. Some even went through tractors, and they had to be moved to other locations, and the citizens here are really angry, asking questions what exactly the authorities were doing for 3 days. Currently, as we speak, motors being used in the front of that area, and fire officials are trying to remove the water, but there is too much water at this point. That's the problem. In fact, you could see behind me, vehicles are underwater. They've been like that for nearly 3 days. This is the third day, and still there is knee-deep water at this location in the heart of Chennai, and that's a bigger point here. In fact, I have one of the residents of this place. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to us. What kind of trouble did you face because of the rain here?
We have been seeing this problem from Sunday morning. Saturday there was a heavy rain, and from Sunday around 9 a.m. Power is gone. From then on we are not able to move out of our house, and from 9 o'clock we are totally cut out from the external world, and we are just confined to our home. And you can see here, like, no water has gone through into our house, and we shifted through we moved to the first floor, and some of us even moved to different places. Somehow managed to climb over the walls, and we moved out, and somehow some people managed.
You had to climb over the walls.
Yeah, I had to climb. I literally rescued some of the senior citizens by pushing them above the wall and then move them to a safe place. And there are still a lot of senior citizens around this colony who are still suffering. They are not able to move out. And yesterday I came across one of the volunteers who was having a lot of trouble in delivering medicine to one of the senior citizen people, and I helped them to climb over the wall and get the medicine.
No help from the authorities?
Authorities have been trying to take the water out from yesterday by putting some mortars, but these are all not going to help, because as we know, like, we have been here for about like 5+ years. We know what are the problems we are going through, and there must be some blockage somewhere in the drainage. Unless it is opened up, nothing is going to change. No matter what, how many pumps they are going to put, they keep pumping out the water. They are doing whatever they can do, but still it's not going to help us.
What were the people doing here for the past 3 days for food, medicine, and other essential items?
On Sunday, somehow we managed with whatever we had. We had milk. I mean, the first thing what I noticed for me was Sunday morning I didn't get paper and milk. That's when I realized there is some problem, and then I came out and saw there's on Sunday morning there was water until knee level, and it is still there for almost 3 days. And I managed Sunday somehow by whatever I had at home. And after that, we didn't have a choice. We are just living with water or fruits or whatever we have. And somehow I requested some of them milk delivery people, and whenever they are coming, they are carrying some bread. I mean, they have to swim through this water. They can't just come as like very easily and then deliver the things. And most of us, whoever had an opportunity, we started moving out by climbing over the walls or by swimming through this water, or whatever the best that we could do, because it's now third day we are living without power. And since there is no power, there is no water at home, and we are running out of our vegetable, milk, whatever the essentials, and so many other things. The main challenge was we are not able to communicate to the external world because there is no power to charge our mobiles. Not everybody knows like what we are going through here. We are just staying 2 lanes away from the CM's residence, and we have been going through this harassment for so many years, but nothing has changed.
It's very unfortunate to hear that, sir. So this is a condition at one of the streets in Alwapet where water stagnation has become a perennial issue, and not just that, this house is under almost up to my knee level. There is water in this location, and whatever things they had, they have completely gone. Vehicles are gone, and they stayed, like many people in this area. Imagine without power, without communication to the outside world, they are still stuck in this place. Certain volunteers are coming over. They are trying to provide them food, essential services. Authorities now are trying to remove the water, but the water here seems to be like of a large volume. How they are going to remove it is a bigger question. The residents here are not asking for just emergency help. They want a permanent solution. They want this not to occur for the next rain. With videos Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.